Hi, I'm Jeff Grace with the Grace Real Estate team at RE/MAX Hallmark here on the beach, and I'd like to take you on a tour of our newest listing at 323 Victoria Park. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home has been extensively renovated by Elite Construction and features 3-car parking at the rear. The main floor features an enclosed front porch for convenient storage of bikes, strollers, and life's accessories. Inside, the main floor is a gorgeous open plan anchored by a modern kitchen that walks out to a huge 2-tiered deck overlooking Blantyre Public Schools yard. Upstairs, the master bedroom provides a wall-to-wall closet with built-ins. The hall features a large linen closet and 2 kids' rooms that are bright and airy. The finished basement provides plenty of additional living space with a 2nd bathroom and laundry room. I hope you love this gorgeous house. If you'd like to see it in person, give us a call at 416-699-9295.